time for our phonics poem of the week. Today's poem is all about ah. And the title of the poem is The Smart Little Star. A smart little star in the sky so far wanted to drive a shiny red car. He parked by the farm near the old barn and met a kind farmer with lots of charm. They started to chat, then played the guitar and danced around under the sparkling stars. They laughed and sang till it wasn't too far, for bedtime came. Good night, little star. How many times can you find ah in today's poem? I found 15 ah in this poem. Did you find them all? If you liked this poem, remember to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Take care. Bye for now.